Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you create text, it is created in its own type layer, which you can see in the Layers panel. Remember to select the correct text layer before trying to apply editing changes to text. You can also apply layer effects to text layers and change layer options for text layers, just like you would with normal layers. One thing you may want to do with the text layer is to simplify, also called rasterize it. Remember that text layers are created using vector-based information. To use bitmap editing tools on a text layer, you must first rasterize the layer. However, doing this makes it no longer editable using the normal Type tool in the toolbox. To simplify a text layer, select the layer within the Layers panel. Then select Layer, Simplify Layer from the menu bar to change the vector information to bitmap information.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.